Short full version only.
Maybe there's something wrong with the engine. What was that? My voice box! Careful, you non-speaking ninnies! You could have broken it!
You can't win, Romeo! Huh? Fluttering feathers! You sound like me! And I don't sound like me!
No, you sound like me! Cat's whiskers! But I sound like Gecko! This is even better! You're all so ridiculous! Huh?
I'm behind you!
Actually, I'm here.
No, I'm here!
Boo! Ah! Stop it! Over here!
I'm here!
Here I am! Whoa!
Oh! Which buttons do I press? Ah! Oh, I sound like me again, not you! Phew. Hey, what was wrong with his voice? I've got mine back too!
And I've got mine!
Yeah!
Give me my voice box back! My voice box! Oh no! I'm losing my voice! I guess there's no more voice stealing now, Romeo. PJ Masks, so shout hooray!
'Cause in the night we save the day!
I thought that this was hard to do, to recite a poem out loud to you. I thought you'd laugh and all make fun, but it was easy, and now I'm done.
Well done, Greg.
Your voices!
Nah, just kidding.
Thanks for watching, but don't like and subscribe this video. And if you subscribe to the videos, do it! Ah!
Why you just eat my phone? Oh, I'm sorry. My phone! Yeah! Uh-oh.